What's up guys? For today's video, I will show you the 5 systems of generator on board the ship. Like and subscribe!
There are 5 systems of generator: the fuel oil system, lubricating oil system, air starting and control system, cooling freshwater system, and the cooling seawater system. Let's start with fuel oil system. The system has fuel oil line and diesel oil line. Fuel oil line starts at fuel oil storage tank to fuel oil settling tank to fuel oil service tank. For the explanation of fuel oil transfer system, fuel oil purifying system, and fuel oil service system, please watch my vlog about fuel oil system. Link in the description below. But let's talk about generator fuel oil service system. From fuel oil service tank, the fuel oil suctioned by fuel oil supply pump with duplex filter to fuel oil return chamber or mixing tank and suctioned again by the fuel oil circulating pump and delivers fuel to the fuel oil heater to viscosity controller to fuel oil second or to backwash filter to generator inlet flow meter to another nominal fineness filter element, and the fuel enters to generator fuel oil inlet valve to generator fuel oil shut-off valve or quick closing valve to generator fuel oil duplex filter to generator fuel pump to fuel injector number 1 to 6. And the return of fuel oil goes to generator fuel oil outlet valve to generator outlet flow meter and return to fuel oil return chamber or mixing tank. For diesel oil system, it starts with diesel oil service tank to diesel oil duplex filter and suctioned by feed pump to diesel oil inlet valve of generator to fuel oil shut-off valve. This valve is a common valve for fuel and diesel oil. Then diesel oil goes to generator fuel pump to fuel injector number 1 to 6. And the return of diesel oil goes to generator diesel oil outlet valve and goes back to diesel oil service tank. For changing over the valve from diesel oil line to fuel oil line and fuel oil line to diesel oil line, follow this. We need extra care for handling these changeover valves to prevent blackout and mixing of fuel oil to the diesel oil service tank and vice versa. And always drain fuel oil service tank and diesel oil service tank for water content. Let's proceed to generator lubricating oil system. From generator lube oil storage tank, lube oil delivers to generator lube oil sump tank by gravity. You need to stop the generator lube oil purifier and its supply pump. And the overflow of generator lube oil sump tank goes to generator lube oil overflow tank. And for lube oil purification, from generator lube oil overflow tank, lube oil suctioned by purifier feed pump to purifier lube oil heater to three-way pneumatic cylinder valve to generator lube oil purifier for purification process. Then, the purified lube oil goes back to generator lube oil sump tank. And for purification via settling to settling tank, from lube oil settling tank to purifier to lube oil settling tank again. For generator lube oil service system, from generator lube oil sump tank with strainer, if the generator stops, the generator lube oil priming pump automatic started and lube oil delivers to lube oil cooler, to lube oil centrifugal bypass filter and to lube oil auto backwash filter. And lube oil supplied to generator lube oil supply points, to generator turbocharger, rocker arm, fuel pump, camshaft, for piston cooling, crankshaft, and main bearing. If the generator started, the lube oil priming pump automatic stop, and the generator lube oil pump, which is coupled to generator crankshaft, runs, and the lube oil delivers the same and goes to the generator lube oil supply points. And now, let's move on to generator air starting and control system. From air bottle or air reservoir, where pressurized air stored and produced by air compressor, the air delivers to generator air starting valve, to pressure reducing valve with safety valve to reduce air pressure from 2.9 to 1.0 megapascal, to air starter motor for starting. And for control air system, from air bottle, air goes first to filter, to pressure reducing valve to reduce pressure from 2.9 megapascal to 0.69 megapascal with safety valve, to control air dryer, to generator control device and safety solenoid valves, to control volume of fuel injected when the engine starts and that also stops the engine. Control air also used to shut the generator fuel oil shut-off valve in case of fire. Also regulates and control the temperature of generator freshwater cooler and generator purifier lube oil heater. Also the generator lube oil purifier cylinder pneumatic valve. Air starting and air control line have drain valve to drain water inside the pipelines. Let's proceed to generator cooling freshwater system, but please don't forget to subscribe. From freshwater expansion tank, the freshwater goes to generator low temperature and high temperature cooling water pump. In low temperature cooling water pump, it is used for cooling the air cooler and lube oil cooler. And the high temperature cooling water pump, it is used for cooling air cooler and cylinder head, also the cylinder liner. And the outlet of fresh water of low and high temperature cooling goes to the generator freshwater cooler, and the freshwater cooler cooled by seawater. And there is a temperature controller with three-way valve. After cooled down to the freshwater cooler, it goes back to the generator freshwater system. And the last system of generator is the seawater system or auxiliary cooling seawater system. It starts from the ocean or sea. The seawater enters to low sea chest and high sea chest with strainer and MGPS or marine growth prevention system installed. Suction by auxiliary seawater service pump to generator freshwater cooler for cooling, or to cool down the freshwater or jacket cooling water from generator system. And the outlet of seawater cooling goes back to overboard via overboard valve, and the overboard valve of the freshwater cooler is the same to the auxiliary boiler condenser, aircon and reefer condenser cooling. That's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.